guys, it's Destiny Lashea. Welcome to today's video. Yes, I'm in my car, and yes, I'm rushing, trying to get to this appointment. I am getting a sew-in today for the first time in a really long time. I'm getting a closure sew-in, and by the way, this video is sponsored by Mayvenn Hair. I'm working with them today because they're doing something really interesting with their sew-ins, and they have like a new program and all that stuff. So I want to tell you guys about it. So Mayvenn Hair is a black-owned hair company that sells bundles, and they sell frontals and closures and all that good stuff. But what they're doing is they are paying for your installs. So I know when I was getting sew-ins for the longest time, I would have to pay for my bundles and I would have to pay for a sew-in, and that would cost me up towards like $600 just for the bundles and the sew-in. So what they're doing is having you guys buy the bundles and they'll pay for the sew-in. So you don't have to pay for the installation of the hair at all. You just buy your bundles, you pick your stylist, and yeah, they set you up. You guys know I'm natural, so this is a part of my natural hair series, episode 2, because you know, this has been a journey. This is my second time going natural, and I'm just trying to find protective styles that work for my hair. I don't know what type of hair I have at all whatsoever. I'm not really into that, but I'm just trying to figure out what products work good for my hair, what protective styles I like. So if you have any ideas of what hairstyle I should do next, or what protective styles you like to do, let me know in the comment box below, because I'm really just trying to figure this thing out. Hey, do you guys like my head wrap today? I can't look at you because I'm driving, but do you like it? I did a really good job. I left some of my hair out at the top so I could wrap the fabric around my hair, and it worked out. I really like it. And I love another thing. I love how head wraps really snatch your eyes up and like hold your head together. You know how when you get like a really good ponytail and it like snatches your entire face? Like, I love that. So I'm gonna be wearing head wraps all the time.
1,000 feet, turn left onto West Ridge Road.
Thanks. So I'm gonna be wearing head wraps all the time because I am feeling myself with this head wrap around. Okay, so I will talk to you guys when I get there so I can pay attention. So I'm ready to get my hair done. Got it set up.
So you want to be center?
My hair is real natural. Like natural.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. I'm like natural.
I've been natural for 6 years.
Oh, good. Awesome. So Ashley started off by taking off my head wrap, and she started to braid my hair. My hair was already washed and detangled, so I didn't have to wash my hair and condition it and all that. It was already done, and I've already detangled my hair. So all she had to do was really start parting and braiding it. She did a braid pattern that really made sense. She did a lot of braids to the side and then the rest to the back of my head, so the install would lay flat and everything. The stylist was so sweet. When she was braiding my hair, we were just talking about life, everything, and as she was braiding my hair, this happened. I just had to show you guys this clip real quick.
Good. I got a whole arrangement delivery for Destiny. Thank you.
I know.
Yep. Close enough. Okay, yeah, just a second. Okay, thank you. All right, have a good day.
Yeah. Wait, for who? For me?
Yeah.
From who?
From here, from Beauty Chef.
Oh my God, thank
Yeah.
you. She got me a cute little edible arrangement. Oh my God, I was so happy, and I was hungry too, so this came right on time. Thank you so much, Ashley. It was so sweet. Definitely didn't have to do it, but it was much appreciated. Okay, so she just started, she just kept braiding my hair, and I was talking. Gary was there, Leilani was there, and also her cute little daughter was there too. So we were just talking as she was braiding my hair, and that's the braid pattern. That's how it looked and everything. And then she went on and added the net. So I know when I used to do sew-ins on myself, I liked adding the net because it adds extra security to the sewing process and holds the tracks on better and everything. So she's sewing the net, and she's sewing the thread around the perimeter of my braids so the net can hold on to my braids and she can cut off the perimeter. Okay, so now as she's sewing down the closure, I have no idea how she sewed down the closure because I'm not a stylist. But while she's doing that, I'm going to tell you guys more about the Mayvenn free install program. So what happens is, I kind of explained it in the beginning, but what happens is you buy bundles from Mayvenn Hair and then you get a free install. It's not a gimmick or anything. I honestly thought it was very gimmicky honestly at first, but it's really not. It's a win-win for you guys and the stylist. So what happens is Mayvenn certified stylist does your install and Mayvenn Hair, the company, pays the stylist, so you don't come out of pocket with anything but the tip for the stylist. So I was really happy with that. I feel like it's a really good idea because essentially you end up paying like $300 for bundles plus $150 plus for an install. So I thought it was a little cute idea and it completely makes sense because you end up spending so much money on bundles and an install. I feel like this idea was a genius on their part as well as the customer's part because it saves us some coin, okay? And they also have quad pay. It's an easy to qualify buy now pay later system and it's 4 interest-free payments and you just select quad pay at checkout so you don't have to pay for all of your bundles at one time. And I forgot to mention, if you do need your hair shampooed, even though I didn't today, you can get a shampoo, braid down, and install with a basic style. If you do want any customization, you do have to pay for that, but you have to ask the stylist for pricing in, you know, the customization area. But as far as like the basic needs, Mayvenn takes care of that. Okay, so when it came down to my install, I only had to use 2 bundles of hair. I used like 2 bundles of hair plus 1 extra check from the 3rd bundle. And I had a 22-inch bundle was the longest one, 18-inch I want to say, and a 20, I can't remember. I'll have all the specs down below in the description box. I cannot remember, but I only had to use 2 packs of hair basically, or 2 bundles of hair. And my head is kind of small though, so I can get away with that, but this hair is really thick and luscious. I'm definitely gonna make a wig out of this hair because it is bomb. I love the way it feels, I love the way it looks, I love that I don't have to use 3 bundles and a closure to get that full look. So yeah, I really like this. All she's gonna do now after installing the last track is kind of comb through the hair, especially the closure, just to make sure there are no tangles in it. As you can see, it looks kind of straight, but what she's gonna do after she detangles it, she's going to add some water to the hair. And I love how Mayvenn Hair curls right up after you apply just water to it. No conditioner, no leave-in, none of that. And as you can see, our kids love each other already. But she's gonna apply some water to it right now, and as you can see, the hair is just gonna curl right up. The closure doesn't even look the same as it did like 2 seconds ago. So I really love this hair a lot, and I feel like it'll be very low maintenance. When I run my fingers through it, I don't get any tangles or anything like that. So I really do like this hair, and I'll definitely be using this again for sure. So overall, I would say my experience getting a free install was pretty good. The stylist Ashley was amazing. She was so sweet, she was so nice, and like she gave me an edible arrangement. How cute and sweet is that? Like that, she did not have to do that at all, but best believe all that fruit was gone. This hair is so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. Like look at it. And this is only 2 bundles of hair in a closure. Yeah, so if you're interested in getting a sew-in and you don't want to pay for the bundles and the install, definitely check out Mayvenn Hair because they pay for your install. Why not, sis? You know? Yeah, so check out the description box. I'll have all the deets in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!